We now return to Aaron Sorkin's new show, The Kitchen.
Where's the milk?
We're out.
No milk?
No.
Walk with me. I want you to get some milk.
Where?
At the store.
Now?
Right now.
Any store?
Any store.
Bloomy's?
Is that a joke?
What do you think?
I think we need milk.
I think you're right.
You know, I never get tired of hearing that.
Should I go get the milk?
Go get the milk.
Oh, looks like the power's out again.
What are we, in Iraq? This happens entirely too often.
Can we tell stories till it comes back on?
Yeah, Dad. Remember the last time you told us the story of Star Wars? Maybe you could tell us another one.
Well, all right. This is the story of Black Snake Moan. Once upon a time, Christina Ricci was all tied up for some reason.
I'm already bored and confused.
Yeah, Dad, isn't there another story like Star Wars you could tell us?
Oh, there just might be, Chris. There just might be.